All right, today we're gonna bring a converter, and this is actually if you want to play your Nintendo Switch through your Xreal glasses, you're able to do this through this system. All right, so this is a petite thing. You can use it for other devices too, not just for that, but this is made just for this too, also. So, power and then your glasses. That's pretty much how you connect this. So we're gonna connect our glasses here. Glasses go in here, and then we make sure that this is powered in. All right, there's power here. You guys can see that. Powered up through here. And then we plug this into the Nintendo Switch. But before we do that, we need additional power. So we're going to go ahead and set up some power. And this cannot be from running from the actual Nintendo Switch because that's how you power the glasses. And then all you got to do is plug it in on the Nintendo Switch here in the bottom. All right, the box goes in the bottom. Make sure you have this on. And it's turning on now. And we're going to see if it powers the glasses. And I wish you guys could see the whole thing, but let me show you guys how I'm going to see if I can show you. There it is. I'm going to have to cover this up so you guys can see it. There's the actual Nintendo Switch. I'm going to pull back a little bit so you guys can see what I'm looking at. All right. So it's in the glasses, if you guys can see that. So I'm able to play on the glasses. I'm able to see it on the glasses. You can see Zelda there on the glasses, and it's playing the Nintendo Switch from your actual glasses. If you guys can see that. If I let go, it's going to blink out because you need to have some sort of something there. So I'm going to block it out here so you guys can see it. It comes back. That's the Nintendo Switch through your XR glasses. Very simple device, easy device to use. You could use it for other things. So I'm going to disconnect this here. And then we're also going to plug in our phone. Now I'm able to play, powering up my device, both my devices too, on my glasses, and also powering up the actual device here, which is great. So you're able to power it up at the same time, view the glasses too at the same time. So that's a great thing to have. I mean, as a little attachment. It works for other devices too. I'm just testing out with the Nintendo Switch and a phone. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.